I don't know how this year has been for all of you guys, but for me, this year was full of extraordinary instances, moments of pain, soul shattering experiences, a lot of growth on spiritual level, and a lot of changes. I do not know about you guys, but I want to say that this year was a roller coaster for me, and it was full of emotions, full of highs and lows in terms of emotions, and a lot of heartbreak, soul shattering experiences, a lot of disappointment, a lot of being on edge moments, and lot of learning, lot of growing, lot of evolving as a person, lot of things that have changed in me. I am not sure if this was the same year for you. So guys, I just want to tell you that I want to share my experience with you that November has so far been the most rewarding and most gifted month of this year for me. The year started with challenges, bang on, one challenge after the other, one heartbreak after the other, one soul shattering experience after the other. But in all those odd situations, there was one thing which was constant: God, and the learning that God wanted me to have. I was learning every day, I was growing every day, I was getting closer to God every day, I was facing challenges every day, I was holding on to God every day, and it was, क्या बोलूं मैं, most magical year, most tough year I can say, but most magical as well, because when there is calamity there is God. And this was God's year for me. I see, when I step into November, and I was, being bombarded with blessings from all corners. I started revisiting all the months of this year, and I saw that why God did what God did, and why God had to do it that way, and why things have to happen like this or that, and why I was meant to go through a lot of pain, a lot of experiences which I never wanted to go through, but it has actually helped me evolve. So the crux of my story here is, guys, that सबकी life different होती है, and in one single year there are thousand things, good and bad, that happen. Sometimes they're more bad than good, but nothing is bad. Everything which is painful, shattering, it is actually helping us evolve into a better version, into our higher selves. And the growth that I've had in this year, I think it is equal to 10 years, and I am only grateful for that. And if you are going through some adverse moments in your life, and I can feel all of that because I have gone through that, and I just want to tell you that just stick around, just keep holding on to God, just keep holding God's hand. I think God is holding your hand, because if even if now if you're still fighting, God is with you, God is with all of us. We just need to feel and believe that He's there holding us, and जो भी हो रहा है, it's happening for your highest good. That's all I can say on repeat to myself and to you. I have a lot of expectations from 2026, but I just want to be grateful, and I'm grateful for whatever 2025 gave me. I can never forget this year. I'm just hopeful that 2026 be the dream year that we all have been waiting for. So, guys, if you have gone through a lot of shit in this year, I'm with you. I have gone through it as well, and now I'm being blessed, and you will also be blessed. I hope, though, that you are being blessed along with me as well. And if not, life is already full of blessings. Please look around you and count your blessings and be grateful for what you have got. And God is by your corner. Things will change for you as well as they've changed for me after a struggle of 3.5 years or more. And things will happen. जैसा आप सोच रहे हो exactly वैसा ही, maybe better than that. Do subscribe to my channel Pyari Baatein if you really like to hear Pyari Baatein and all my deep heartfelt, stories and whatever I get to share with you. I hope it is making a difference in your life. If it is, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with at least 5 people and be their angel. Let's get the good energy flowing.